Well, my colleague Moshmi also spoke to a lot of people in Uttar Pradesh to get a reality check of how people are perceiving this Romeo Bandi.
What is the reaction of the anti-Romeo squad on ground zero? We are in Lucknow and we'll get you a reaction from women of different ages. Somebody is a daughter, a mother, a grandmother, and we'll try and speak to them and ask them in Lucknow. Eve teasing is also a part of the tradition.
I think it is very common, and almost every girl, every woman has faced it. So it is. I guess several times. So many times I haven't even kept a count of it. I don't even inform my parents, my friends, because it has become so common. I'm like, I just ignore them and I just move on.
So it happens while you're going somewhere, you're on the road?
Like I go to coaching, your office, anywhere, I have to keep myself very safe. I do not feel even safe in car. There are guys who stalk me even in using their bikes and whatever medium they have. I don't feel comfortable when I'm on a bike, because they come and they just touch you and they go. You just can't do anything.
Yeah. Horrific story. Do you think, ma'am, that every mother or every daughter has shared this story? ये होता रहा है लखनऊ में?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल हमेशा से होता है। जब हम लोग छोटे से थे तब से देख रहे हैं। अब बच्चों के साथ हो रहा है वही चीज।
दुख होता है उस बात का?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल चेन स्नैचिंग ये एक मेन। दो जन जाते हैं, दो बॉयज होते हैं, एक पीछे बैठता है, पीछे वाला चेन स्नैचिंग करता है, फिर ऐसे दिखाता है कि देखिए आपकी ले ली। हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं?
तो आपको लगता है ये एंटी रोमियो स्क्वाड से कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा?
बहुत फर्क पड़ना चाहिए और पड़ेगा।
बिल्कुल, ये लग रहा है कि इससे ये लोग थोड़ा डरेंगे कि पुलिस
ऐसे किस्से हुए जब आप बाहर निकली हो और कि शायद मैं निकलती नहीं बाहर।
जी, मेन तो कमेंट्स, फिर इन लोग का देखना जो था, इस वजह से हम लोग निकलते अवॉइड करते हैं, खासकर चौक या अमीनाबाद की तरफ ये लोग बहुत बुरा देखते हैं, इस वजह से निकलना ही बंद कर दिया है, समझ लो।
आंटी, आप तो बहुत सालों से होंगी, क्या आपके टाइम में भी इस तरह से?
नहीं सर, सब ये काफ़ी समय से चल रहा है। अब तो हमारे बच्चे यहाँ हैं, पढ़ती हैं, कुछ सर्विस भी करती हैं, और सभी लोग शिकायत कहते हैं तो अपने पापा से नहीं कर सकते हैं कि बाहर हमें निकलने में दिक्कत पैदा करेंगे, कि सुरक्षा घर में है, बाहर मत निकलो, गलत लोग हैं, इसलिए उनसे बताना भी नहीं पड़ता है, उनसे बताते नहीं हैं। हाँ, सहना पड़ता है कि बेटा, हाँ जी हाँ, बहुत सांत्वना है कि हाँ, जब इस तरह से कदम उठाया गया है तो हम लोगों को बहुत शांति है कि हाँ।
You can hear there are stories that when you come out, then people actually stalk you, they surround you, they try and touch you, and it's not one person who's telling the story. From a daughter to a mother to maybe a grandmother, everybody has the same story, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we live in a constant fear, and we don't feel like moving out after maybe 7 or 8 o'clock. Not even to a nearby market. We can try to go alone. I always ask my husband to accompany me for a smallest thing. Why? Because it doesn't matter. Definitely it doesn't matter. So that these are the things which we have to overcome, and I congratulate this move and I welcome it a lot. Like, I feel now we are safer.
All these women, they're giving a thumbs up to anti-Romeo squad, and one thing I've realized, being from the city of Lucknow, this is not just a one-off incident of eve teasing. Whenever women actually go out, just like me, when we used to go out to school or to any marketplace, we were very careful to avoid dark areas, dark spots, because these eve teasers were bold enough to do it in the open, and they didn't have any deterrent. But now, as these women also say, and I also believe, this anti-Romeo squad will act as a deterrent for all those who eve tease and you do anti-women acts in public, and they will be shamed and they will fear the police and the law. With camera person Kripal Singh, this is Mosmi Singh in Lucknow for India Today.